Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the 2016 All America Selections winner, the Escamillo sweet frying pepper. It was bred by Johnny's Selected Seeds. It's a beautiful plant that's going to produce 6 to 8 inch long bullhorn type peppers, 2.5 inch girth, sweet, absolutely delicious. I like eating them straight like this in salads. They make great peppers to cut up for stir fry, and they're really good to stuff with meats or rice. I mean, it's a beautiful plant. I've been harvesting the peppers off of here for the last 2 weeks. You can see all the peppers that are growing up here. It did extremely well in the heat that we had. I'm not getting any disease problems or any issues with this plant. And you're going to get 25 to 30 peppers off of here. Now, when you buy an All America Selections winner, I like to say the proof is in the plant. And simply put, you're going to find out why these plants are AAS winners when you grow them in your garden. I recommend this for containers. It's only going to get 2.5 to 3 feet tall. Extremely strong and compact. Look at the stem on here. You're not going to have a lot of breakage when you're going to pick your peppers or from wind. It's a very sturdy plant. Does really well in the garden. This is a fire ring that doesn't have a bottom in it, so it's a little bit raised, and this pepper is really doing well. Absolutely beautiful. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads. We only do videos on the newest winning seed varieties that are out there. Thanks for watching.